Hello Nanay Beth, kamusta ka na? Happy birthday. Sana ma-enjoy mo yung araw mo ngayon and I pray for good health and more birthdays to come. Bye.
Nanay Beth, si Bonsai po. Happy 75th birthday. I wish you good health and longer life. And I am very happy that everyone is coming together to celebrate your 75 years of love, kindness, and guidance to everyone. I remember ng mga bata pa kami, kapag umuwi kami galing school, minsan dumidiretso kami sa bahay mo kasi minsan walang pagkain sa amin. So as we all know, lagi may pagkain sa lamesa mo. So we'll do that. Tsaka kapag meron nang away sa amin na kalaro namin sa kundiman, ikaw yung mauuna na lumabas, haharapin mo sila, awayin mo sila for us. So basically, we've always felt safe and secured with you. You've always been a second mom to us growing up, and we genuinely appreciate everything that you've showed us, you've done for us through the years. And I love you, we love you. We hope you have a great time tonight. And again, I wish you longer life and good health. Love you, Nanay Beth. Mwah.
1, 2, 3, go.
Happy 75th birthday, Nanay Beth! Wishing you a healthy
And
joyful life.
We love you.
We love you!
Happy birthday,
Auntie Beth.
Good health and stay safe.
Stay
See you
safe.
soon.
Bye.
Love you.
Love you.
Happy birthday, Nanay Beth! We love you! Bye!
Bye!
Hi, Betty. Hindi ko masabing welcome to the fold kasi 80 na ako, mas bata ka. But happy 75th. And, well, you have lived 3/4 of your life. So, I'm sure you have made so many people happy. I'm sure you've touched many lives and continue doing so for the rest of your years. More life to your years. Happy birthday!
Happy 75th birthday po, Nanay Betty. Si Barbie Forteza po ito. Mag-iingat kayo palagi, pati ang inyong kalusugan. Sana ay palaging mabuti.
Hi, happy 75th birthday, Nanay Betty. Ito po si Albert. Good health and more power.
Nung araw, pag sinabing isusubo kayo sa Tita Betty nyo, naku po, manginig ka na. Pero kami ni Vince, kahit kailan, hindi pa naman nakulot ni Tita Beth. Ewan ko lang si Arnold tsaka si Stephen. Kaya tita, salamat sa pagiging pangalawang nanay sa aming magpipinsan. We love you and we are forever grateful po sa inyo. Happy birthday! Mwah.
Greetings from San Antonio, Texas, Ate Beth. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Beth.
Happy 75th birthday! Kamusta na po kayo?
I hope you'll enjoy your birthday today. 75 years na, parang kailan lang. And naalala ko, we were there. Diyan kami nakatira, kasama sa inyo. Those are the happy days. And I hope kung makapunta ka dito sa US, you're most welcome to come over dito sa San Antonio, Texas. And I wish you a very happy birthday today. Hope you will enjoy your birthday together with your family, and we miss you. See you soon. Maybe next year ulit kami dyan.
May you have a very happy birthday today, Ate Beth. God bless you. We wish you good health, longer and healthy life. We miss you, Ate Beth. Kita-kita tayo next year pag uwi namin.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday again, Ate Beth. We miss everyone. Bye for now.
Hello, hello. Happy birthday, Tita Beth. I hope you're having a great time. Wish ko lang is good health and more happiness. And I know na love ka ng mga anak mo. They're so lucky to have you. And we wish we could have been there at the party, so have a great time. Happy birthday, Tita Beth.
Happy birthday!
Hi, Tita Betty. I heard it's your 75th birthday, so happy diamond birthday. I don't know, whatever you call it. Anyway, I just want to wish you a happy birthday. I wish you all the best, especially health, and always take care of yourself. God bless. And again, happy birthday.
Nanay Betty, happy 75th birthday! Oh my God! I wish you longer years, longer life pa. Dapat longer and healthier life, okay? And happier. Happy birthday po!
Merry Christmas! Oops, sorry. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Nanay Bet! Miss you, love you! Mwah!
Happy birthday, Nanay Beth. Sorry po na late yung pagpati ko po sa inyo. Nasa trabaho po ako ngayon. Kaya lang, happy birthday po.
Nanay Betty, happy birthday po. Enjoy niyo tong araw na to, kasi araw niyo to. At sana lahat ng wish niyo ibigay ni Lord sa inyo. Happy birthday ulit, Nanay. Kami sa Batang Quiapo ay bumabati sa Lord. Mabuhay ka.
Unforgettable, that's what you are. Unforgettable, though near or far. Like a song of love that clings to me, how the thought of you does things to me. Never before has someone been more unforgettable in every way. And forevermore, that's how you stay. That's why, darling, it's incredible that someone so unforgettable thinks that I am unforgettable too. Unforgettable in every way.